think removing the Firefox AI chatbots turns AI off. Not completely. There's a separate Firefox setting that blocks AI features properly, and I'll show you exactly where to find it. First, make sure Firefox is up to date. Open Firefox, click the menu button in the top right corner. That is the button with 3 horizontal lines. Go to Help, then click About Firefox. Firefox will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, install it and restart Firefox. After Firefox restarts, click the menu button again. Now click Settings. In the left sidebar, look for AI controls and click it. If you want the simplest method, turn on Block AI enhancements. When the confirmation message appears, click Block. This option blocks current AI features and helps stop future ones from appearing automatically. So if your goal is to turn off AI features completely, this is the setting most users should use. But if you do not want to block everything, leave Block AI enhancements turned off and control the features one by one. Depending on your Firefox version, you may see different AI options here. Some features may have more choices, while others may only have 2. The key choice is Blocked. To turn off a specific feature, open its drop-down menu and choose Blocked. For example, if you only want to remove the AI chatbot, find the AI chatbot option and set it to Blocked. After that, the chatbot should no longer appear in the Firefox sidebar. That's it. Firefox's built-in AI features are now turned off or blocked, depending on the option you selected.